me first. Look out!
Ah!
Sorry, Ryder. I tagged you a little too hard.
Guess I'm it.
Ryder, come in.
Okay, I can hear you now, Chase. How's the cave exploring going?
Not good. We need the Paw Patrol.
What's wrong?
We were pretty deep in the cave and Jake got his foot stuck. He says it hurt